Hello friends, greetings. I am Vimalnath Nair from Mumbai. I wish to share few thoughts on the recently trending topic whether one should consume Arsenicum album 30 to improve immunity so that we are safe against corona virus. Few relatives and friends asked me my take on this. Of late there is a huge push and propaganda towards taking this medicine to boost the immunity. Many organizations are preparing and distributing. Even my Residents Welfare Association, they distributed it free to all members, which is a very good initiative and made it available for those who are in need of it. And definitely, it's a good move. Likewise, there are many agencies which are preparing, distributing, as well as there are many sources who are giving this Arsenicum album 30. So I thought of doing a literature survey myself and get to the details that will be useful to me as well as for others who see this to make a decision for themselves. The intention is just to put all the facts to you in general so that we are cautious as well as careful on what we do. Arsenicum album is not a new medicine. It has been documented and been around for many years and is one of the most prescribed and safe medicines in homeopathy. It is a solution of arsenic trioxide which is prepared by diluting it until it's not very little and there is no arsenic remaining in solution, visible traces. So trace arsenic is also found in the vegetables we consume and the meat we eat. So it is always there, but arsenic in its crude form is poisonous. In homeopathic preparation, very trace amount, very little is used. So generally, it is considered safe. Arsenicum album, as has been documented, is one of the 15 most important remedies in homeopathy and is one of the most well proven remedies also. It is effective. A properly prepared, prescribed, and consumed Arsenicum album 30 is very effective in people who are suffering from certain disease. Arsenicum album is used to treat serious, acute, chronic diseases, acute colds, bronchitis, fever, cough, sore throat, flu, even food poisoning and fever, etc. Homeopaths prescribe this remedy to treat a variety of disorders. So Arsenicum album also has been used in some cases to treat malaria as well as septic infections. Documented. People requiring Arsenicum album generally fit a particular profile. Please listen to this part carefully and decide if you relate to any of these conditions. They are usually anxious, restless, weak, pale, emaciated. They may be chilled, catch cold easily. Their eyes are sunken and glassy. Their face may be yellowish or ashy. Mouth, lip, tongue are dry. They desire liquid in small or frequent amounts. The forehead, face, chest, knee, hand, and feet are often cold, and these patients crave for warmth. They may suffer from pain throughout the entire body. This pain may be aggravated by cold and reduced by heat. So there may be weakness which is reduced by taking rest or laying down. So when you go to the doctor, doctor may ask so many questions to you related to these aspects. Apart from this physical profile, there are some mental and emotional symptoms of patient too, which include anxiety, nervousness, impulsiveness, irritability, sadness, depression. So people requiring this remedy are often difficult patients. They are critical, argumentative, get easily offended, maybe insecure, they are forgetful, often suffer from delusions or hallucinations. Although there are claims that this homeopathy medicine can treat infection, there is no scientific evidence that proves the efficacy of this drug in this regard. Now, the most important part as to whether a healthy individual should consume arsenic cum album as a precautionary measure. This needs to be decided in individual capacity in consultation with a doctor of repute. Homeopathy medicine is commonly believed to be relatively harmless. However, treatment with improper homeopathic preparations may be dangerous. There have been cases of arsenic poisoning in India due to wrong preparations. First of all, you have to make sure that you consult an established doctor of repute for his recommendations of medicine. Because with homeopathy, the medicine preparation changes with individual symptoms, individual characteristics, person to person. Sometimes the medicine, the dosage varies. Secondly, the source of medicine should be genuine and trustworthy. Recently, few videos surfaced wherein it is seen that sugar pills are being packed in small shops in the name of homeopathy medicine, and the preparation where the arsenic solution is used may not be in proper constitution. So one has to be careful about the source of the medicine. If you are a frontline worker, need to travel frequently, you're interacting with a lot of people and are in public places very often, then you may consider taking this medicine. Otherwise, it doesn't look very essential, especially since there are no scientific evidences of any immunity boosting in healthy individuals. Do not jump into any conclusion just with the recommendation that you see in social media. Spare few minutes to find your present health condition and requirement. It is always better idea to strengthen your immunity by natural methods. Our traditional methods are good. We can strengthen immunity by having citrus fruits like lemon, amla, etc., which of late many are recommending. You can include ginger, black pepper, garlic, etc. in your diet. Keep yourself hydrated. Follow good hygiene practices. Healthy individuals do not have to go after fancy ideas. And those who fall ill or suspect any symptoms of corona should consult a doctor before consuming any medicine. Most importantly, follow the recommended prescription, duration of course, and make sure you are consuming medicines received from a trusted source. Stay safe, take care. Thank you.